Alright, let's do an update on Axie Infinity. So not too much is happening here, so I'll keep this video briefly short as well. You can see that we've come back and back tested the 618, so technically as long as we do stay above 56 we could have a bounce to the upside. In my opinion, I don't believe that we are going to hold the 56 the $56, which is obviously the 618 here. I do believe, you know, if I had to make a prediction, like if my life depended on it, I would say that we are at least going to come down and backtest these previous lows, at which point if we double bottom, fair enough, and we go off to the races, then, you know, if we do something like this, break down, double bottom and strongly bounce out of here, then I would definitely turn my tune on this, maybe even accumulate a small bag for a quick flip. But until I do see us holding the 618, then, you know, there's really nothing to be bullish for. This coin is fairly bullish, or bearish, sorry. I mean, if we zoom out, you can see that we've had this steep downtrending resistance since the 6th of November, poked our head above it for 2 days and came crashing right back through. So in my opinion, unless we turn around right now, unless all of the markets turn around right now, then we are going to lose this 618 here at $56 and we're going to come crashing through the tables. Now, if we zoom out and look at the RSI, really nothing to see on the daily for the RSI. I mean, I don't really have too much to comment on this. It does look like we're slightly trending downwards from the heart line. If we come over to the weekly, you can see that we were setting up for this inverse head and shoulders. Could still be a possibility, but you know, in my opinion, if we come over to the total crypto market cap, which is just broken below the 618, unless we do quickly get above this, then, you know, all of these altcoins are going to go to shit. Bitcoin is falling off the table right now. I said in my previous Bitcoin video, as long as we hold 40,000, then I am still bullish. If we do lose 40,000, my next target is to backtest the lows at 33,000, but at that point I find it more likely that we're going to backtest the lows all the way down here at 28,600 US dollars. So at that point we would really need to see what's happening if we do bounce off 28,000. I don't want to make this this whole video about the total crypto market cap and Bitcoin, because you can check out my video previously that I did. But, you know, do bear in mind I do check out Bitcoin and the total crypto market cap, because, you know, most of these altcoins aren't outliers. Bar maybe Chainlink, I really don't see too many coins that are market outliers these days. So, you know, right now we are sitting on the 618. In my opinion, as soon as we break below, I'd say $56, as soon as we lose 56, which we're really getting dangerously close to right now, then we are going to fall off the table. And like I said, if we don't double bottom, which is a 20% drop, then the next target that I see is 46% down. So if we zoom out, you can also see that there is a 786 here. So, you know, if you wanted a tiny little bit of hopium, you could argue that we could bounce off here. That is still a 30% drop though, so a decent trade if you plan on shorting. I basically say this in all my Axie and SLP videos that I'm not really a fan of these two coins, but I would be more than happy to make a trade on these coins if I did see that the market is telling us we're either breaking out or down. Right now we are sitting on decision time, we're sitting on the 618. As soon as we lose $56, then, you know, that's pretty much it for me. I think this coin would start cascading and fall off the table. So yeah, that's all I really see. One tiny note is that we are somewhat above the 200-day. Obviously, as of this candle, we have broken below the 200-day, but, you know, if this is a fake out and we turn around, bounce off the 200-day and start going up tomorrow, then your altcoins, you know, namely SLP, AXS, they're going to absolutely fall off the table. So keep an eye on this zone on the BTC dominance. If we do start spiking again and reverse, then I believe, you know, that's all she wrote for altcoins. So yeah, probably not the news you all want to hear. I know a lot of you would prefer if I just said this coin is going to like £150 tomorrow, or we're going to retest the all-time highs this month, or blah blah blah. But, you know, I'm just keeping it real with you. If you don't appreciate that, then, you know, there are other clickbaity YouTubers that will tell you we're going to these crazy price targets. But on my YouTube, I'm here to give the analysis that I see. It won't always be the popular opinion. Sometimes it will be the popular opinion, but, you know, I am here to try and provide value to my subscribers. And if I can potentially save them from a huge drop, then so be it. That's all I really care about. So do bear in mind, these are just my opinions on the market, and do bear in mind as well, if we do just strongly bounce off this 618, then we could turn around as soon as today or tomorrow. But looking at Bitcoin, looking at the total crypto market cap, I mean, I made a video, I think, was it this video or last video? It was up here at 40,800, and we've already dropped another $400. So if Bitcoin loses 40k, then I do believe AXS is going to absolutely fall through the table. So that's all I'm seeing for the markets right now. That is all for AXS today. Once again, none of this is financial advice, it is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace out.